Hi everybody, my name is Courtney. I'm with the Dallas Public Library, and today I will be showing you guys how to do our constellation scopes with our fall activity kits. So first, when you get your kit, your supplies, it will come with one cardboard tube, and you will come with a constellation pattern. What does not come with your kit is a pencil or pen, scissors, and a glue stick. So make sure you go grab those things and we will put this scope together. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so first what we're going to do after you get your constellation patterns, you'll get one sheet. You'll select which pattern you want to do. So there's the Big Dipper, Cassiopeia, Leo, and Orion. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do the Cassiopeia. So we're going to do this one. I'm going to scoop these out the way. So what we'll do, we'll cut out this constellation along the dotted lines. Alright, so I've got this cut out, so I can move this out of the way. And then next what we'll do, you'll see outside, so here's the constellation, the little dots. And then there's a circle around it, and then you see these dotted lines outside the constellation. What we're going to do next is cut these dotted lines. So we cut all of these to make little flaps. Alright, so next we will take our tube, and what we're going to do is take our glue stick and we're going to glue on the top any side you want. So you can use this side, doesn't make a difference. But you're just going to put your glue on the top here. And if you don't have a glue stick, you can use the liquid glue. Just don't use too much because you want it to dry pretty fast. And of course, the more you use, the longer it'll take to dry. So we'll put that on, and that should be enough. Close our glue, stick it right here. So next we'll take our constellation and make sure that the dots, your constellation, is facing up, and you'll stick that on top of your tube and just try to center it. You can kind of see through, or just kind of feel it out. And then you will fold your flaps down on the edge with the glue. It's a little tricky, but that's all right. So we'll just fold it, and we cut those flaps to make it a little bit easier to fold it down, and we'll just get the constellation as centered as we possibly can. Okay, so there we go. It'll look just like that. And just make sure you just have it glued just as best you can. Get everything staying down. Okay, so we have that. And I'm going to put this one aside because what you want to do, you want to wait for this glue to dry. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes. So that way it's not moving around when we start our next step. So I'm going to put this over here and bring out one that I did earlier where it's already dried and it's not going to move. So next what we'll do, you'll take your pencil or your pen and you will carefully poke holes exactly on the dots. So do this, and we got to be careful so we don't tear the paper too much, but you want to make sure your pencil or pen goes all the way through, just directly in the center of the circles. Alright, so they're all through. You should be able to see through that there. So now that we have that done, that's pretty much it. So now how you use this, you can put it up to your eyes or your eye, and you will see exactly how this constellation will look in the sky. Another way you can use this, you can take a flashlight or your smartphone and just shine it through this end, and then you can point it at a wall, and you'll also see how the constellation appears in the sky. So that is all for your awesome constellation scope. Thank you for joining us, and remember to check more of our videos on our Dallas Public Library YouTube channel. Thank you.